Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show and tell how you can unsubscribe on Facebook while seeing people but not see their posts, reels, and so on. Please subscribe to the channel, write comments, put likes. Let's get started. To do this, we need to go to Facebook on our phone, on tablets, or computers. And then we're gonna go to the Friends tab. Here we click on your friends, and here we have our friends. If we don't want to unsubscribe from them, but we just want to pause them so we can stay friends, we go in, we see our friends, we can use the search bar, click on the three dots. And there's a function called Stop Seeing but Stay Friends. We click here, and after that, from this person, we stop seeing his posts, some photos, reels, but we will remain his friends. That is, this person will not see that we have unsubscribed from him. This is a simple way to do it. If you liked this video, write in the comments. Also put a like. Subscribe to the channel. Thank you all for watching. See you later. Goodbye.